Good morning, student of standard 4th. Today we are going to do the new subject social studies. Yes, this is your book. Take out from your bag social studies book. Yes, what a beautiful book is this. Now let I have to turn the pages. Yes, you also turn the pages with me. Our first chapter is our country, India. The first chapter is our country, India. Yes, here is India, our country. Yes, our country, India. In which country do you live? India. In which country do you live? India. India is our country, is a unique in its physical and cultural diversities. Yes, beta. Underline the word diversity. Diversity means विभिन्नता. India is our country, is a unique, बिल्कुल अलग है इन इट्स फिजिकल एंड कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी. फिजिकल डाइवर्सिटी मतलब जैसे वी आर लिविंग इन राजस्थान. राजस्थान में क्या है बताओ? रेत के टीले ही टीले हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? रेगिस्तान. अगर हम जम्मू कश्मीर की तरफ जाएंगे तो वहाँ क्या है? बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़ है, आइस ही आइस है. ओके, इफ़ वी गो टुवर्ड्स द साउथ देन वी विल फाउंड द ocean. See, this blue color is the ocean. So our India is having a different physical diversity. Same way cultural also. Cultural life in our Rajasthan we used to speak the Marwadi language. If we go to the Jammu and Kashmir, they have their Kashmiri language. If you go to Maharashtra, they have their Marathi language. If you go to Karnataka, they have their Kannada language. Means diversities we are having in our culture also. The way we wear, the way we eat, everywhere there is a diversity, means a difference. It lies in the central part of South Asia. हम लोग कहाँ पर है बेटा? देर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. इन अर्लियर क्लास यू हैव स्टडीड. डू यू नो द कॉन्टिनेंट? तो 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स कौन से बताओ? नॉर्थ एंड साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, अटलांटिका, अंटार्कटिका, एशिया, अफ्रीका and Australia. So these all are the 7 continent. तो we are the central part of South Asia. एशिया बहुत बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट है, उसका साउथ एशिया के सेंट्रल पार्ट में वी आर मीन्स आर कंट्री इज सिचुएटेड. द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज पेनिसुला. ये जो सदर्न पार्ट है, ये जो नीचे का पार्ट है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? इंडिया के सदर्न पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं? दिस इज अ सदर्न पार्ट. ओके, see, this is a southern part. The southern part of India is called the peninsula. Okay, it has the Bay of Bengal in the east. East में क्या है? The Bay of Bengal. Okay, the Arabian Sea in the west. Here it is Arabian Sea and in the and Indian Ocean in the south. और यहाँ नीचे क्या है? Indian Ocean. So we are, our country is decorated with the 3 side water bodies. Okay, so good na, so amazing. Yes, the Great Himalaya range form in the boundary in the north. ऊपर नॉर्थ में अगर हम देखेंगे तो हिमालय की बाउंड्री ने हमें हिमालय की बाउंड्री हमारे नॉर्थ में है. द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड and the Lakshadweep island in the Arabian Sea are Indian island. Okay, now here see the Andaman and Nicobar island in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal में Andaman and Nicobar island है. Okay, Bay of Bengal is where this side is the Bay of Bengal. Here Andaman and Nicobar island means the portion of a land which is covered 3 sides by the water. And Lakshadweep island in the Arabian Sea are Indian island. Kanyakumari is the southernmost part of the mainland of India. And southmost tip of India is the Pygmalion point or a India point. जो southernmost point है, ये वाला point इसको क्या कहा जाता है? This point is known as the Pygmalion point or a Indira point, which is the part of the Great Nicobar Island. Indira point got submerged due to the tsunami 2004. जो tsunami 2004 में जो सुनामी आई थी, उस कारण ये submerge हो गया है. I hope you well understood till here. Okay. What you have to do in the homework, you will have to draw the Indian map. In our summer vacation I have told you how to draw the Indian map. So you try to draw this Indian map, not inside the states. You don't have to draw, only you will have to make the drawing like this of the Indian map. Okay, which I have taught you earlier. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, rest of the classes we will take later on. Bye beta.